Hello students, welcome to the one more session of virtual lab. Today we will learn how to find out the area of this particular garden by using this tachymetric method. Okay, so to find out the area of a polygon, I have selected 4 corners, point corner A, corner B, corner C and corner D. So this will become our 4 points. By using this tachymeter we are going to find out the area. Now how one can find out the area? First, if you look at this point, this is your point A. Say this is my point B, say this is my point O, and say this is my point B. So this is my first triangle, A, O and B. A, O and B. So by using this first triangle, first we have to find out the area of a triangle. Likewise B, O and C. Likewise B, O and C. This is the second triangle. Third triangle is C, O, D. And last triangle is, if you look at the figure, it is D, O and A. So likewise there are 4 triangles. So first of all I have brought the bubble at the center, and by using this tachymeter, what I will do is I will take 4 readings on point A, 4 readings on point B, 4 readings on point C and 4 readings on point D. As well as I will try to find out the horizontal angle also. So in the first surveying part 1, we have what we have done. By using the reiteration method, we have found out all the angles, theta 1, 2, 3 and 4. Addition of all the 4 thetas, you will get 360. So I will use the same reiteration method to find out all the angles, as well as I will try to find out the vertical angle also. Okay, second year. The staff is kept on station A. Here if you look at towards the telescope, I have kept the vertical circle 0, 0, and I am going to bisect the point A. And I will note down the readings. I have set vernier A to 0, vernier B to 180 degrees. Okay, so the readings, top here readings are, it is 1.5, 6, 7, 1.75. So the readings I will note it down. For A it is 1.75. The middle here reading is 0.99, and the lower crosshair reading is 0.9. Here the angle is 0. Here if you look at towards the vertical horizontal angle, angle is 0. Okay, so I will take the next reading on station B. Okay, Nikhil. Okay, second year, if you look at towards the point B, I have just bisected the point B. I will fix up the upper tangent screw. I have to check the vertical and horizontal angle also. So the top crosshair reading, I would like to bisect it one more time perfectly. It is 1.495. At point B it is 1.495. For middle crosshair reading it is 1.355, and for the bottom crosshair reading it is 1.22. Vertical angle I have kept 0, but I have to check the horizontal angle. The horizontal angle is, I have noted down the horizontal. Okay. So I have bisected the third point, point C, and I will again take upper, middle, lower as well as horizontal angle. Nikhil, अजून एक काढायला पाहिजे, वरचं काढायला पाहिजे. You have to open up the third part of this measuring stuff also. Okay. now it is visible. Second here, it is exactly the top cross reading is 2.15. 2.15. Top cross reading is 2.15. Middle cross reading is 2.02. 2.02, and the bottom cross reading is 1.9. Okay. The last point, I have kept the staff on the last point. The readings are 1.8, 1.84, 1.72 and 1.6. 1.84, 1.72 and 1.6. And I have also measured the horizontal angle. Okay, so this is my horizontal angle. Okay students, so likewise we have taken all the readings. Now we will go on to the inside the lab and then we will find out the details. Okay. Hello students, welcome to the observation table for experiment number 5. Okay, so I will start the observation table for experiment number 5. Area of polygon. So in the observation table, prepare the column like this. First is instrument station. Next one is the staff station. Then horizontal. Then go for the crosshair readings, stadian readings. Top, middle, bottom. Then take horizontal line. Now I have kept the instrument station on O. Staff stations are A, B, C and D. Now I will be writing down the observation table. Top, middle and bottom. Top is 1.75, zero 0.99, 0.9. One point 495, 1.355, 1.22. For C, 2.15, 2.02, 1.9. Third, last one is 1.84, 1.72, 1.60. Now I have taken the horizontal angle by reiteration. So in the horizontal angle again we have to make vernier A and vernier B. Vernier A and vernier B. Vernier A, first reading I have taken initial reading as 0 degrees and 180 degrees, and I have revolved the telescope in a clockwise direction. So as per that I have taken the readings. Second is I have got as 93 degrees 7 minutes, here 273 degrees and 7 minutes. Next 203 degrees and 20 minutes, 23 degrees 20 minutes 0 seconds. Here also 0 seconds. Last observation is 250 degrees 20 minutes 0 seconds, and here it is 70 degrees 20 minutes and 0 seconds. Second year, these are the observations I have taken by using the repetition method. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the respective angle A. So in front of A we have to write down the respective angles. So initial reading 0, final reading 93.7, 93 degrees 7 minutes. So you will get 93 degrees and 7 minutes. Next will be 203 degrees 20 minutes 0 seconds minus 93 degree 7 minutes 0 seconds. Calculate. I have calculated it. I have got 110 degrees 13 minutes 0 seconds. Next 250 degrees 20 minutes 0 seconds minus 203 degrees 20 minutes 0 seconds. So it is 47 degrees 0 minute 0 seconds. And lastly it is 250 degrees 20 minutes and 0 seconds, and this 0 will become your 360. So 360 minus 250, find out the angle. So here I have got it as 109 degrees 40 minutes 0 seconds. 109 degrees 40 minutes and 0 seconds. So second here, this is the observation table. From this observation table, we have to find out the distance O to A, O to B, O to C and O to D. How to find out OA? OA formula is K into S into cos square of theta, where K we have to take it as 100 and C we will take it as 0. So as C is 0, so I have just didn't consider but you can write K is cos square theta plus C into cos of theta. This is the whole formula. So in this formula, if we have substituted C as 0, you will get the remaining term 0. So I will first of all find out what is OA. Let us find out what is OA considering K is equal to 100 and C is equal to 0. So let us put K is equal to 100. Here for OA, what will be S? So S will be top hair reading minus bottom hair reading. So we have to find out this difference. 1.75 minus 0.90 minus 0.90 multiplied by cos square of angle. That angle is 93 degrees 7 minutes. First angle we have to consider. Sorry. So second here, at this place K is equal to 100, S will be equal to 1.75 minus bottom hair reading 0.9. Here cos square of theta is, cos is your vertical angle, so I have not taken any vertical angle, so just it is cos square of 0. So you will get cos square of 0 as 1. So this is your OA. By using the same formula, we are going to calculate all the distances. Like which distance we have required? Calculate OA, calculate OB, OC and OD. Okay, calculate OA, OB, OC and OD. Once you will get all the distances, let us say these distances are say D1, D2, D3 and D4. Once you will get the distances, it is possible to find out the area of a triangle. Second here, we have found out the distances OA, OB, OC and OD. Okay. Now, suppose how to find out the area of a triangle. Suppose we have taken 4 points. Say this is point A. Say this is point B. Say this is point C. Say this is point D. I will join these points. It will become a polygon, a closed polygon. And approximately instrument is set and distance O. So we have found OA, we have found OB, OC and OD. These are the distances we have found. Okay, OA, OB, OC and OD. Now let us divide this whole figure into 4 triangles. Say this is my first triangle, say this is my second triangle, say this is my third triangle, say this is my fourth triangle. Now to find out the area of the first triangle, area A will be equal to, the formula is S into S minus E, S minus B, S minus C. This whole equation will be under square root. What is S second year? S will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is ABC? If we consider the first triangle, A will be one of the side, let us say it is OA. Say B will be the other side of a triangle. Considering only first triangle, O say B and say C will be AB. What I have done? I have just considered the only one triangle, AOB. This triangle. In this triangle, these are 3 sides, OA, OB and AB. Let us say OA is equal to A, AB, OB is equal to B and AB is equal to C, and S can be found out by the formula A plus B plus C divided by 2. To find out, once you got S, once you got ABC, substitute these values into this equation. A1 will be equal to S into first bracket S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. This whole thing you will get the area 1. Likewise, find out A2, A3 and A4. Add all the areas A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. The total area will be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. Did you got it? How to find out the area of a polygon? I will just conclude in smaller steps how we have found out the area. We have identified these are the 4 corners of a garden in our college. We have kept the staff on these 4 points. Okay, instrument is kept on station O. Then I have taken the top hair reading and bottom hair reading at A, B, C and D. From this observation, I have found the distance OA, OB, OCA, OD. Which formula I have used? K, S plus C. I have not taken any vertical angle. So OA, OB, OC and OD can be found out by KS plus C, where K is 100, S will be equal to your top hair reading minus bottom hair reading. So I have found the same distance OA, OB, OC and OD. Next, if we are knowing the 2 sides of a triangle OA and OB, how to find out the third side? How to find out the third side of a triangle? So for which, again I have given you the cosine rule. Cosine rule is AB will be equal to OA square plus OB square minus 2 into OA into OB into cos of alpha. This whole thing will be under square root, where OA, OB are the 2 sides of a triangle OA and OB, and alpha is nothing but this angle. Alpha is nothing but the angle between OA and OB. So likewise, all the 4 unknown sides. For first triangle it is AB, for the second triangle it is B to C, for the third triangle it is C to D, and for the fourth triangle it is D to E. So these are the 4 sides are found out by the respective formula, which is cosine rule. Once you have got 3 sides of a triangle OA, OB and AB, by using this formula we can find out the area of first triangle. So likewise, add 1, 2, 3, 4 areas. Add 4 areas, you will get a total area of polygon. Okay, second year. So this is all about today's experiment number 5. Today's experiment number, I think it is experiment number 4. Experiment number 4. Okay. Thank you, students. You may comment regarding your doubts, queries or anything. Thank you.